And what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today I'm here with my first vlog in a fat minute. It has been a while since I've done a vlog like this, but today we're here with a video just kind of showing y'all the process of me reselling some of my sneaker investments. Y'all remember me making my sneaker collection, or not sneaker collection, but sneaker investment collection video probably like a week or so ago, a few days. And I had like, 30 or so pairs. But today, your boy's decided he's going to sell like half of them, or at least some of them. I posted like 10 of my, reselling Instagram. If you want to go check any of that down below, all these shoes are posted. Some are already sold, as you can tell. I've sold like a few pairs, but there's still like 6 or 7 left right there that I'm, selling right now. And I'll probably post a couple more from here in a bit. But basically, I'm just offloading some of my sneaker investments, just to have the cash ready for some drops. And also, so I can reinvest into like bulk investments and different things like that. Basically, get the money right now so I can grow it further, that kind of process. So today, we're just doing a little vlog, running y'all through, the process, the whole resale process, how I kind of sell my shoes quickly, I guess. And, just kind of what I do, I guess, kind of when it comes to, down to selling the sneaker investments, this is what I do, be showing y'all around the post office, because we can go there. We're definitely, hopefully, I might have someone doing a local deal, so, we might have some sort of a portion of this video where we meet up with somebody. I'm not quite too sure on that, but yeah, definitely, kind of gonna show you all the process of what I do. So I hope you guys will enjoy, and, if you want to subscribe and like for more content, good, drop a like, and, yeah, I'm not gonna really set a goal in this video, but, the more the better. Let's just get into it though. Alright, so I know I'm gonna get a decent amount of comments, probably, no problem with it, but probably asking if people should sell their sneaker investments also if they're holding these exact pairs. So I'm gonna show you all kind of the ones I'm just running through and selling again. They're all down below on my Instagram. Y'all can go check. I just posted like 9 pairs. Nothing really crazy, but just kind of like 9 pairs. Y'all wanna go check that out, throw some offers or anything, feel free. But these are just some pairs I felt like selling right now, just to have the money ready. And it's not anything really based off if you should sell them right now. A couple of these I guess I could say you should sell now, but some of the other ones, I mean, it's not really like you don't really have to sell them to the end of the summer, I'd say. Like a lot of these are still, going up in value, and some of them, again, just getting the cash, for them, so we can put it into other drops, make more money. That's the key. So first one I'm selling, y'all probably saw it in the photo, Dunk Low ceramic. Haven't really gotten many offers in this one, but I know I got like my highest offers like $250 or something, and there's no way I'm taking $250 for some ceramics. No way. You'd have to catch me like lacking or something, but there's no way I'm selling ceramics for $250 right now. Those Johns are like $350 right now, so I'm just selling those because Dunks aren't, I mean, they're going up still. These are actually one of the few pairs of Dunks I see still rising pretty nicely, but I'm just selling them again, just because out of any pairs that I have that I'm kind of invested in, you kind of see these pairs out of any of the ones that I kind of have invested in right there. Shout out my cat being in the video, but out of any of those pairs, this is kind of the ones that those ones are going up more right now than these Dunks are. So another one, I just need to get rid of these, honestly. And I've just been having these for a while, but these kind of like the silver metallic Jordan 1s, or the Japan neutral gray, messed that up. But yeah, selling these ones just because, they haven't really made much progress, and I'm kind of done with, holding them. If they haven't made progress in like 6 or 8 months or whatever, how long I've had them, just, yeah, they're gone. And another one, just so I can get some big profit, I'm selling my Unions right now. These size 9.5. Anybody wants them, hit me up. Again, I'll throw you a good deal. Of course, I'll throw any of the subs a good deal. You already know I got you, as long as it's reasonable to both of us. But yeah, just selling this pair right now. Got them for retail. So I mean, nothing better than just getting a pair of Unions for that low price. And yeah, now that's like a $100 shoe. So we're flipping these ones right here just because we need them gone. So after the Unions, another one that I was like, I'll probably sell. Just might as well get another pair of Dunks out of here. The veneers, these ones are actually, this is probably one of my favorite Dunks actually. I really like how these look. I personally would wear these. Just the suede and the overall color scheme, I don't know what it is, but the purple, brown, and green on the shoe, I think it goes really well together. I know some people disagree, but I personally think that Nike's decision on that was really good. So another one that's on the veneers. Don't really have a price on those ones yet, but I know I got some offers. And also this one right here, if this is the shoe I'm thinking, Air Jordan 1 Mocha, it's just time to, if you got Mochas, it's time to sell them in my opinion. But if you want to hold them to Christmas to make another like 100 or so bucks, I perfectly, I understand that, because they're definitely going to continue to rise. There's just, this will be a shoe that's worth much, much more. Just stay tuned. But right now, like $450, so just trying to offload those ones. Might trade these in the Unions in a pretty good deal. Hopefully, I'm trying to stick with the original deal, so hopefully the guy will come through for those other 4 pairs I was talking about. It was like some Hyper Rolls and Uni Blues. That'd be a good deal. Hopefully we can get that, negotiated. But yeah, the final one I'm also selling, and again, these are not all the pairs I'm selling. I'll be selling more down the line. Just once I get these ones sold, I honestly will post more. So yeah, hit my DM. But yeah, the metallic gold size 6Y. Someone in my comments, shout out to whoever in my comments was like, Tristan, bro, just get rid of these. These are not doing anything, bro. What are you doing? And yeah, shout out to you for that advice and kind of just sticking it to me there. I needed that because why did I have the black metallic golds? I just, you know, it's like $170, $180 just kind of sitting around and not doing anything with it. It's not really rising, so or at least not yet, because metallic golds are definitely, again, patent leather Jordan 1. It's definitely going to go up, but out of any of my investments, this is one that would probably take a lot longer than the rest, and it's youth sizing, so that kind of explains a lot right there. So yeah, those are the pairs I got. So I'll update you guys, and you know, if I get any more sold, I'm trying to look again out for this local deal. But yeah, pretty much just sell stuff by posting on my Instagram, posting on my story. Again, I've made some videos recently on like building a following and stuff like that, so you know, you guys can check that. But yeah, you know, I'm probably gonna run to the post office in a bit. Your boy doesn't have any socks, so he's doing some laundry right now. But once that's done, yeah, you know, we'll get heading to the post office, and I'll kind of show y'all, you know, just me mailing these off. And then if we get any more pairs sold, you know, I'll kind of show y'all how that is. But those are just some of the investments I'm selling right now. Just need them gone. Oh, also, I know I'm gonna help a couple people with this right here. So there's this website that I use for shipping labels. This isn't a promo or nothing, but I'm just gonna, you know, whoever is watching this video, you know, helping me out by doing that, I'll help you out in return. So there's this website. I don't want to expose it, but I am, because, you know, a lot of people probably already know it, especially if you've been reselling for a while. You probably definitely know this website. It's called pirateship.com. It's what I use for all my, you know, USPS labels and stuff like that. It makes shipping a lot cheaper. So if y'all want to check that out, just a little free advice I give. Saves you a couple bucks on labels every time. And, you know, if you're a new reseller, I think it would definitely help you out with keeping your profits a little bit higher. So just some advice for y'all right there. Got you. So yeah, I think I'm gonna repost a couple of these pairs on the story right now, just, you know, with some offers or whatever, just to see if I can get any people, you know, trying to buy some pairs, you know, throw a couple more offers. But yeah, you know, I'll kind of let you all how that let you all know how that goes. And gonna make some lunch, because your boy just shout out my friend Ben. He's been, you know, helping me getting that gym grind. I got like the stuff for it and all that, but dude, I'm exhausted today, bro. But yeah, I guess I'll show y'all how we eat around here. So, you know, let's do that, you know? All right, so I'm probably just gonna watch some YouTube or something for a bit, but I'm about to post these on my story. Literally all I do is just like go on my phone right here, and just like once I'm logged in and all that, I literally just add to my story. It's probably what I'm doing, just add to my story. I'm just gonna post a picture like of the shoes or something. And then yeah, you know, that'll pretty much just be how it works. I'll post a picture with the offer, and then, you know, hopefully some people will swipe up. We'll get maybe another pair or 2 or 3, maybe all of them sold today. We'll see how it goes. I know I got a couple people trying to buy locally, but I did say I was gonna show y'all the lunch, so I ain't capping. You know, we got a little burger right here, you know, a little like, I guess, protein shake type thing, some milk, and then this like cookies and like cream, like whey protein. I need to add. Hey, we're gonna add the creatine. Shout out my boys for putting me on this too. This is like that muscle building stuff or whatever. Yeah, so I don't know. Maybe Tristan's gonna be big by the end of the summer, but who knows? You know, that's not really the goal. We just gonna try to put on like a healthy 10 pounds or something. You know, that's really it. Why am I telling y'all about this? I don't know. We just vlogging. We chilling. You know, I honestly think I'd be pretty good at Twitch streaming, because, you know, I always have stuff to talk about. All right, so as you guys can see, last time since I've checked in with the camera, we've actually done a lot of things. I just sold actually all of the sneakers, so they're all sold, all 9 of them. I just sold the rest of these pairs for $2K cash locally, so I'm gonna be taking the camera to that deal, and y'all will see that going down. I know the guy I'm doing the deal with. It's my boy Jimmy. I haven't seen him in a while, so, you know, it's gonna be cool. But yeah, you know, he's buying the shoes here, so you know, I got the deal for him. You know, at least a decent deal, I feel like. You know, we got 6 pairs, pretty good pairs, a couple dunks, unions. I've already showed you all of them, but, you know, we sold them all right there. So yeah, we're gonna move on to that, and I'll kind of be showing y'all, you know, just how the deal goes locally, what I do, and you know, just kind of the rest to it. But yeah, a lot has happened, and we got those sold, and we'll take those to the post office too later today if we got time. So yeah, let's get into that now. All right, let's go do the sneaker deal. We got the pairs here, so yeah, you know, just I guess I'll get kind of like a thumbnail type thing here, but yeah, there we go. Pairs that we are going to be selling locally today. All right, so I'm in traffic right now, but I got the sunroof going. I actually kind of like that, so I'm gonna keep that open. But I'm on the way to the sneaker deal. It's like 15 miles away, but it's only like 20 minutes. So we're about to head to that. And yeah, you know, just you know, we in the GPS, we heading there, and I'm kind of just show you all how it goes down. You know, be pretty chill. You know, I know Jimmy's super cool. And yeah, you know, just we're gonna head there right now. So that's what we're doing. We're here posted up on Ray Road. It's like a big church right there. But yeah, this light won't take a while, so I'm not really tripping. But I'm not gonna film my driving. Obviously, I'm not trying to be dumb. I know I've done it before, but too risky. You know, I'm not trying to, you know, do anything dumb. But yeah, we posted up here. Traffic. All right, so here with the bro, Pineville Hills, Jimmy. What up? Yeah, so Just did the deal. He legit checking him out now.
It's crazy how you hit it on the unions before.
No, that was literally the luckiest shit ever. I got
Well,
like on 10 seconds left in the draw, and I enter and hit on that. So yeah, that was.
I'm so happy.
No, that was straight up luck. I was just in the middle of making a video and shit. So yeah, so it was literally straight luck.
Damn,
Yeah, so yeah, sneakers. It was blessing me for a few straight months. I ain't hitting forever though. Real talk.
You hit a few things there, right?
Yeah, I've hit Lucky Greens, a couple dunks. I'm hoping to hit in some of these upcoming releases, bro.
Who's this 6, right?
Yeah. These 6 right here.
Alright, yeah, straight.
There you go. All straight, bro.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, shout out to you, bro. Appreciate you. Hey,
Yeah,
go follow him. He's local. Gotta support him out there. So yeah.
Share for the steals, bro.
Yeah, appreciate you, bro. And there we go, just like that. That's how a local sneaker deal is done. You know, just get up an Instagram following. I promise you, I will hit you up with some nice videos on it. I've been making a lot of videos, but yeah, you know, just that's how y'all can do it right there. So we'll head back to the home, head to the post office, and yeah, you know, 2K like that, 3K. We sold all the shoes in under like 12 hours. Crazy, never done that before, so that's dope. But yeah, now we're back home. It's honestly, I think it's after 5 o'clock, or yeah, it's pretty close to 5 o'clock at least. So I believe the post office is closed, and honestly, I'm pretty tired, you know. Still tired from Miami, you know, and the lack of sleep that I got there. But yeah, you know, there you go. That's me selling pretty much, you know, there's 2K right there, but then, you know, I got the other 1,000 in my account that I've made from selling these shoes that I also have down here. It's also like a Supreme deck and stuff like that, but that's really how I do it. Again, local deals are really the best thing. Build up that Instagram following. You know, that's a really important thing. Of course, you can meet people that will do bulk deals, not just locally. You know, you can just do that by finding people on Instagram, you know, start doing business with them back and forth, you know, give each other deals type thing. I've done that with a few people, and I know some people that I can always get, you know, somewhat of a good deal from. So yeah, that's really all I have to say right there. That's the video, you know, simple parts of the vlog. Sorry that I didn't get to the post office. To anybody who bought anything off me, I'm going there first thing tomorrow morning. I don't know why I sound so jacked up right now. Like, geez, I'm just talking way too fast. I guess just trying to have some energy, you know, for the video. But yeah, just looking at this, you know, all those will be mailed out tomorrow morning, and anybody that you know, that bought from me, I will give you your tracking tonight, so you know you can at least have that information. But that's really everything I gotta say. So again, if you like the video, go ahead, subscribe and like. Feel free. No real like goal in the video, but you know, the more the better, as I said at the start. So I'd appreciate the love, and yeah, leave any comments, questions, concerns. And if you have any concerns, you know, you can leave them down below. Seriously, feel free, anything. And yeah, that's really all I have to say, I feel like. But we're gonna probably sell a couple more of those tomorrow or some other time. I'm thinking about which ones to sell, and I'm now thinking about where I'm actually going to put the money that I have. I'll probably save some of it, and then the other, like, you know, couple grand that I'll have, I'm thinking about, you know, what shoe investment I might make, or I'm thinking about, you know, buying a bunch of this, you know, a bunch of some sort of stock. Like, there's just been this one called Ethereum that's been doing really well. I'm gonna do some research to see if that will possibly go any farther than it already has. It's already at 4K. I wonder if it'll go to like 10K or something. So that'd definitely be worth it to put $1,000 into that. You know, if that went up to 10K, then shoot, that's always something, you know, we're trying to do. But that's all I really got to say. So I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching, and hopefully I will catch you all in the next video. Peace.
The cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the tea. Now water can flow, or it can crash. And water, my friend.
Sticks made a fucking head.